Hi children, how are you? Hope you're all doing good, right? Very good. So before going to start our session, let's start our session with prayer, right? Close your eyes, join your hands, take a deep breath and stay calm, be relaxed and listen to me what I'm saying, right? Fine. Asato ma satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Mritangamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Very good, children. Now open your eyes slowly. Fine. Come on, let's start our session today. So, children, in this session, we are going to discuss about the topics we discussed in previous sessions, right? So, what are the topics we discussed about? Circulatory system, chapter 1, right? So, what is circulatory system? It is a system by which the blood flow to all parts of the body to provide energy. Right, this is the main function of circulatory system, and in return it collects the waste from different organs for its purification. Right, so what are the components of circulatory system? Blood, blood vessels and heart. These are the components of circulatory system. Coming to see about blood. Blood is liquid in state. It carries oxygen, food nutrients and water to all parts of the body, and in return it collects the waste materials to heart for its purification. The components of blood are plasma, white blood cells, red blood cells and platelets. Plasma, it is the liquid portion of the blood. It is pale yellow in color and it contains proteins and minerals, right? Then red blood cells, they are spherical shaped cells and contain a colored pigment called hemoglobin, which is responsible for red color of the blood. We can consume more green vegetables in order to increase hemoglobin level. Okay, since hemoglobin is made up of iron and proteins, right? So next, coming to white blood cells. These are larger than RBCs and can change their shape. White blood cells act as soldiers to our body so that our body can fight against the disease causing germs. Next, platelets. These are smallest cells of blood which are responsible for clotting of blood while bleeding. Okay, coming to blood vessels, the second component of circulatory system. The blood vessels are hollow tubes through which blood flows to the whole body, throughout the whole body. Okay, so the blood vessels are of three types: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries carry pure blood from heart to all parts of the body, whereas vein carries impure blood from different parts to the heart. And capillaries, they are thin tubes that connect arteries and veins. Through it walls the content of the blood, that is nutrients of the food, gases and water, will be exchanged to different organs of our body. This is what happening in blood vessels, right? So coming to third component of circulatory system, that is heart. Heart is a muscular organ, okay, that pumps blood to whole part of the body. Okay, since it is a muscular organ, it expands and contracts as other muscles. It does not get tired, right? So the heart is divided into 4 sections or chambers. 2 sections at left side and 2 sections at right side. The pure blood from heart will be pumped through left side of the heart to all parts of the body. Okay, whereas the impure blood will be pumped from right side of the heart to lungs for its purification. Okay, then what is heartbeat and what is pulse? The expansion and contraction of the heart makes the sound heartbeat. Okay, it makes the sound labda, which is nothing but a heartbeat. Okay, the heart beats 72 times per minute for a normal person. It may be faster in case of fever or other diseases. Right. Then coming to pulse. When heart pumps blood at high pressure into arteries, this causes pulse. Okay. So pulse also beat 72 times per minute. So we can determine the heartbeat with the help of pulse rate. In this way, the pulse rate and heartbeat will be correlated. These are the things we discussed in this chapter. Right. So now we are going to discuss about the questions in workbook, which will helpful for you to prepare for the exam in next session. Right. So, coming to the first question, take your workbook, see the first question, fill in the blanks. In filling the blanks, the first question is, when the heart pumps blood into the dash at high pressure, it causes a pulse. Okay, the answer is arteries. Very good. Next question, the upper left chamber of the heart receives blood from the lungs. Superb. There are 3 major types of blood vessels. What are they, children? Yeah, very good. Arteries, veins and capillaries. Right. Hemoglobin comprises of iron and protein. The answer is protein. Superb. The next question, dash are the smallest cells that help in clotting of blood. What is the name, children? Yes, the answer is platelets. Very good. So, the next question is, dash blood cells act as soldiers of our body. Which blood cells are responsible for increasing our immunity, children? Yeah, right. It is WBC, white blood cells. So the answer is white blood cells. Okay. So the next question is, the tubes that carry blood are called blood vessels. What is that? The tubes that carry blood are called blood vessels. Fine. So coming to the next question, identify the labels 1, 2, 3 as shown in the image given below. Okay, so you have to identify the cells that are labeled in the blood diagram. So the first cell is plasma. Okay, the first label is plasma. Since it is liquid portion of the blood, it is termed as plasma. So you have to write in the first label as plasma. Okay. Coming to the second label, it is mentioned to a cell that is larger than RBC. Children, which cells are larger than RBCs, children? Right, WBCs. Very good. So, the second label will be named as WBCs, white blood cells. Okay. Then coming to the third label, it points to the cells that are smaller than remaining cells of the blood. So, which cell is the smallest cell in the blood? Very good. They are platelets. So, the third label will be named as platelets. First one is plasma. Second one is WBCs, that is white blood cells. And the third one is platelets. Right. Now coming to the third question, match the following. So the first question is capillaries. These are thin tubes that connect the arteries to the veins. Next, white blood cells. They fight with the germs entering our body. Next, plasma. It is the liquid portion of the blood in which all blood cells are suspended. Next, platelet helps in preventing blood loss by making blood clot. Okay, next, red blood cells carry oxygen with the help of hemoglobin, a red pigment. Okay, children, could you clear? Okay, coming to the next question, define circulatory system. It is the system by which food of nutrients, gases, and water will be carried to all parts of the body. Right. Next question is, which food items helps in the formation of red blood cells? The answer is, the food items that are rich in iron content will be helpful for the formation of red blood cells. Very good. The next question, how does the function of arteries differ from that of vein? In how they will get differ, children? In what way they will get differ? Yes, arteries carry pure blood from heart to different parts of the body, whereas veins collects impure blood from different parts of the body to the heart for its purification. Right. Why blood is red in color? Because of the presence of hemoglobin, right, which makes the blood red color. Very good. So now we are going to see about the next question. The next question is drawing a diagram of human heart in the space given below. So you have to draw a diagram of human heart. Okay. The next question is, heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood to different parts of the body. Justify the statement, right? You have to say it whether true or false and explain why. Okay. Is the statement is true or false, children? Yes, it is true. Okay, heart is a muscular organ, so it contracts and expands like other muscles, because of which the blood will be pumped to whole parts of the body. Right. So coming to next question, our heart beats 72 times in a minute, and if we hold our wrist and count the pulse rate, it is also 72. What is the correlation between the two? How does it correlate, children? Yes, the heart pumps the blood into arteries at high pressure. It causes pulse. Okay, so with the help of pulse rate, we can determine our heartbeat. Okay, this is why whenever the heart beats 72 times per minute, our pulse also beats 72 times per minute. In this way, they both get correlated. Fine, children? Could you clear? Okay, moving on to the next question. It is MCQ part of your workbook. Okay, the first question is, one cellular part of the dash comprises of platelets. Platelets will be present in which part, children? Yes, it is blood. So the answer is option C. So next question is, which of the following blood vessels can be seen through the skin? Which one, children? It is veins. Very good. Blood that is poor in oxygen is pumped into lungs, from the heart? The answer is option C. Very good. Which of the following muscles works continuously without getting tired? Which muscles, children? Either heart, leg or thigh muscles. Great. It is heart muscles. So the answer is A. Coming back to the next question. Roman is having an infection. Which cells of his blood will help him to fight against the infection? Children, could you get the question clearly? Which cells of our blood makes us to fight the body against disease causing germs, children? Right, they are white blood cells. Very good. So the answer is option A. Then coming to the sixth question. A type of blood vessels helps in exchange of fluid, gases and other materials between the blood and different organs of the body. This type of blood vessels have dash. What it have, children? Whether a thick walls, very thin walls or holes in the walls. Very good. They have very thin walls so that they can exchange the contents of blood. Right. So the answer is option B. Very good. So coming to the next question. Renu got a cut on her finger while chopping vegetables. She observed that after some time the flow of blood has stopped from the cut. Which of the following components of the blood is responsible for blood clotting? Very good. They are platelets. So the answer is option B. Superb. So the next question is, doctor has advised Deepali to eat lot of green vegetables. This diet will help in the formation of, eating green vegetables will help in the formation of, very good, red blood cells. So the answer is option C. So the next question is, Aniket wants to deliver carbon dioxide to his heart. Okay, in which of the following blood vessels will carbon dioxide flow along with blood to reach the human heart? Which blood vessel collect the impure blood, children? Great, they are veins. So the answer is option B. Fine. So the next question is, Varun's heart beats 72 times in a minute. What will be his pulse rate? The answer is option C. That is also 72 times in a minute, since the heartbeats and pulse rate are correlated with each other. Right? Children, could you clear about these questions and answers, children? Right. So for the next session, I am going to conduct an exam. Small test in this chapter. You have to prepare well for that. Right. So till then, stay connected, stay safe. Bye.